What does it take to ignite a change? For us, the answer is clear. Environmental education. This is our campaign to empower a generation. We started by cultivating innovation through our Eco Pitching event, turning students into solution makers. We sparked critical dialogue on climate action, transforming listeners into advocates through dynamic debates. Then, we brought lesson to life at our Eco booth, making sustainability tangible through hands-on activities that connected daily choices to global impact. Our mission reached beyond campus. At La Rojas High School, we empowered youth to become local environmental stewards. This commitment to community continued at the Mindanao Tribal School, where providing educational supplies was paired with lessons on protecting the rivers and forests that sustain their heritage. We met our community where they gathered. We brought our advocacy directly to the people through compelling infographics and educational games. This became our frontline in transforming public spaces into platforms for environmental education. Fueling every step was our digital campaign, Code Kali Kaalaman. This social media initiative ensured our educational campaign never stopped, breaking down complex issues and building an online community for change. This journey proves that environmental education is more than information. It's the spark for innovation, compassion, and lasting stewardship. We are Environmental Science Student Society, with a heart to serve and a passion to lead. And this is our story.